Good morning, students. Today, new lesson, History, Unit 9, Freedom Struggle in Tamil Nadu. Listen here carefully, students. Introduction. The colonial rule. Before independence, we are all under the control of British. British people dominated us. Particularly the Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, the struggle was started against the British because of Britishers were suppressed the Indian people. The colonial rule existed during that time. The Britishers extended their territory in Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu freedom struggle was started in Tamil Nadu. In the 18th century, Palaikaras revolt was started. Palaikaras fought against the British bravely. But the Britishers suppressed the Palaikaras. After the Palaikaras suppressed, defeated, Palaikaras were defeated, no. After the Palaikaras defeated, in 1806, Vellore revolt was started. According to the Vellore revolt, the Sepoys fought against the British in the Vellore fort. Finally, the Tipu Sultan sons were sent to prison by the British. The British suppressed the Vellore revolt also. Then, the Britishers introduced Western education in India. Particularly in Tamil Nadu also, Western education spread in Tamil Nadu. The educated Indians and the middle class people opposed it. They started the freedom struggle in Tamil Nadu. Freedom struggle was started against the British. The native languages were destroyed. Everyone want to study only the Western education, Western culture. So, Britishers were dominated the Indians. In Tamil Nadu was worst affected during that time. Early nationalist stirrings in Tamil Nadu. First one, Madras Native Association. MNA. Madras Native Association was founded in South India. The Madras Native Association was started by Gazulu Lakshmi Narasu, Gazulu Lakshmi Narasu Srinivasana in 1852. Gazulu Lakshmi Narasu Srinivasana in 1852. The Madras Native Association were started. Initially, the merchants started the Madras Native Association, joined the Madras Native Association initially. Then when the Christian missionary came into exist, the Britishers insisted Christian missionaries in India. Particularly in Tamil Nadu also want to follow, all the people want to follow Christianity. Because of the British people were, all the majority British people were belonged to Christianity, followed the Christianity. So they insisted, in India also, all the people want to follow Christianity. They spread the Christian missionaries. with the Christian missionaries, they spread the Christianity in our country. Particularly Tamil Nadu also, they published the Christianity, propagated. The contribution was, the Madras Native Association contribution was agitation against torture. The Britishers were tortured the Tamil people. Particularly the peasants were suffered a lot. The peasants were tortured by the Britishers, particularly revenue officials. Revenue officials tortured the peasants in Tamil Nadu. The peasants were suffered a lot during that time. They started the torture commission. Torture commission were started against the British, and in 1862 Madras Native Association was seized by the British notice. Beginnings of the nationalist press. The nationalist press were famous during that time. The nationalist press, the Hindu and Swadeshi Mitra, these two are newspapers. These newspapers were published during that time. In 1877, T. Muthuswamy was the judge in Tamil Nadu High Court, Madras High Court. But Britishers opposed it. They thought that the Europeans only appointed as a judge. But in India, Tamil Nadu, the people were against the British during that time. During the time of nationalism, they criticized against the British. The press criticized the Indian judges. The press also criticized. They want only for appointment was only for the Europeans as a judge. They avoided the Indian judges in the High Court. So Indians were decided to start newspapers. G. Subramaniam and M. Veeraragavachari were started the newspaper. G. Subramaniam and M. Veeraragavachari started the newspaper Hindu in 1878. Hindu newspaper was started. G. Subramaniam started Swadeshi Mitra. Listen carefully. M. Veeraragavachari started the Hindu in 1878. And G. Subramaniam started a newspaper known as Swadeshi Mitran in 1891. The Swadeshi Mitran, which became to be daily newspaper in 1899. Daily newspaper in Swadeshi Mitran became the daily newspaper in 1899. Noted. Madras Mahajana Sabha, MMS. Madras Mahajana Sabha was one of the earliest organization in South India. Earliest organization in South India. In 1884, Madras Mahajana Sabha was started by M. Veeraragavachari, P. Anandacharulu and P. Rangayya Naidu. Overall, Madras Mahajana Sabha was started by P. M. Veeraragavacharya, P. Anandacharudu and P. Rangayya Naidu. These people were started the Madras Mahajana Sabha. The P. Rangayya Naidu was the first president of the Madras Mahajana Sabha. He was the first president of the Madras Mahajana Sabha. And P. Anandacharudu was the secretary of the Madras Mahajana Sabha. Appointed as a secretary in the Madras Mahajana Sabha. The Madras Mahajana Sabha joined together with the more and more leaders and discussed, debated against the British. One of the Madras Mahajana Sabha debate was the civil service examination. Want to conduct the civil service examination in India and also England. In Madras Mahajana Sabha, one of the major demand was simultaneous examination in India and also England. Civil service examination. Finally, many demands were adopted during the time of Indian National Congress in 1885. Yes, students, once again, I am going to recall. Listen here carefully. Introduction. The colonial rule. Before independence, we are all under the control of British. The colonial rule was started. According to the colonial rule, the British has extended their territory in our country. The Tamil Nadu also was affected during that time. In the 18th century, the Palaikaras fought against the British. The Palaikara government defeated by British finally. After the defeat of Palaikaras, the Vellore revolt was started in 1806. In the Vellore revolt, finally, the Britishers were suppressed the Indian Sepoys. They sent to the prison. The Tipu sons were sent to the prison. After the Vellore revolt, the Britishers insisted the Western education in our country. The educated Indians and the middle class people opposed it, Western education. So, after the Western education Indians and middle class people were opposed it, and finally, freedom struggle in Tamil Nadu was started. Many people participated against the British. Early nationalist stirrings in Tamil Nadu. Madras Native Association, MNA. Madras Native Association was founded in South India. Madras Native Association was started by Gazulu Lakshminarasu Srinivasana in 1852. Initially, Madras Native Association joined by merchants. More and more merchants joined in the Madras Native Association. After that, Madras Native Association against the Christian missionary. Christian missionaries spread the Christianity all over India. Particularly, Tamil Nadu also was affected during that time. All the Hindus want to convert Christianity. The Christianity were given importance during that time by the British, but Indians were opposed it. The contribution was agitation against the torture against the British. Initially, the Britishers have tortured the peasants in our country by the revenue officials. by the revenue officials tortured the peasants in our country. The Tamil Nadu peasants were most affected during that time. So, all the people were joined together and started the torture commission. Torture commission was started. In 1862, Madras Native Association was seized by the British, suppressed by the British. Beginnings of the nationalist press. The press criticized the Britishers. They started the newspapers like the Hindu and the Swadeshi Mitra. The T. Muthuswamy was the High Court judge, appointed as a High Court judge in 1877. But the Britishers criticized it. They thought that the Europeans only appointed as a judge in Tamil Nadu High Court. But the Tamil people opposed British people, and the Indian judges were abolished the Indian judges and appointed as a European judges. They thought that. So the press criticized against the British during that time. Indians started the newspapers like the Hindu and the Swadeshi Mitra. G. Subramaniam was started, and B. Subramaniam and M. Veeraragavacharya started the newspapers. M. Veeraragavachari started a newspaper known as Hindu in 1878. And the G. Subramaniam started a newspaper, Swadeshi Mitran, in 1891. The Swadeshi Mitran, which became the daily newspaper in 1899, daily newspaper came into existence. Madras Mahajana Sabha, MMS. Madras Mahajana Sabha was one of the earliest organization in South India. In 1884, Madras Mahajana Sabha started by M. Veeraragavachari, P. Anandacharulu and P. Rangayya Naidu. Madras Mahajana Sabha started by P. Veeraragavacharya, M. Veeraragavacharya, P. Anandacharulu and P. Rangayya Naidu. P. Rangayya Naidu was the first president of the Madras Mahajana Sabha, and P. Anandacharulu was the secretary of the Madras Mahajana Sabha. Madras Mahajana Sabha oftenly joined together and meetings are conducted. In that meeting, they debated against the British and they demanded the simultaneous civil service examination in India and also Britain. And also, many demands were adopted in the Indian National Congress in 1885. Okay then, see you tomorrow students and continue next topic tomorrow.